Hi everyone, I'm Michelle, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So today we're going to learn how to morph a photo from black and white into color. Here's how we're going to do it. So of course, the first thing you're going to need is a photo. So I'm going to go over here in my Elements tab because I've already got a photo that I want to try and do this with. But otherwise, you're going to go down to your photos or your uploads or get whatever picture that you want to use. So the first thing after that, which would be the second thing, is you're going to want to take this and make a copy. You want to do that and you want to line them up on top of each other. Let me change this to white real quick because I used a dark one and I can't see where to line them up very well. So what you want to do now is line them up perfectly on top of each other. And then what you want to do now is go over here to edit image. I'm still using the old editor, but I'm sure the filters are in the new editor. You want to go down to filters. You want to either use the grayscale. I like to use street. So I'm going to change the top one to the street. So that's going to make it that black and white like that. So I'm going to go back over here and change this back to black. Back to black. And then what I want to do now is I'm going to duplicate this page. So once I duplicate this page, I want to go up into position and I want to switch it. So now I have my color one on top. The next thing I want to do is I want to go over to match and move. I want to put my match and move in, and I want to make sure my seconds is as deep as I want to, as big as you can make it, because the more seconds it is, the slower the transition will be. So if you have like really short here, as you know, if you notice as I shorten these up, so does the seconds. So if you notice, let's do it with the shorter one. If you go to play it, it comes in really fast. But if you lengthen these out and then go into match and move, you notice that you'll get more seconds in your duration. So what you want to do is cut them up. And that way it'll be a slower fade into the color. So what we're going to do now is we're going to play that with that good fade in there. So let's see. So now it's like, ooh, the color's coming in. How beautiful. So that is how you do that. It's real simple and it's a really cool effect. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Nenny says like and subscribe and come back again. And I thank you. Much love from Michelle and hope to see you next time.